Hello viewers, this Dow Too Fast here. Today I have another accessory install video for this 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. I'll be installing a hood deflector. Now this accessory is an aftermarket part and it's made specifically for this vehicle. Also to let you know, the reason we're using an aftermarket part is because Hyundai does not make a hood deflector for this vehicle. Here's a look at the box that this part comes in. Now this piece is very easy to install. There are no clips or brackets. It uses 3M double-sided tape to stick onto the hood. I want to point out the company that made this hood deflector is the same company that made the window deflector. And I had a video last time showing you how to install these ones. If you want to see the other install video, I'll link it at the end. Here I place this piece on the hood to give you an idea of what it looks like. Here I have a bottle of isopropyl alcohol. So the first thing we'll need to do is get some rubbing alcohol and clean the surface. Remove one edge on the backing of double-sided tape. Now you don't want to remove all of it, only pull back about this much. Do the same thing for the other strips of double-sided tape. Carefully place a hood deflector onto the hood. Remove the backing on a double-sided tape. Don't forget to remove the backing on the double-sided tape along the top edge. Here's a look at the installed hood deflector. Now with the design of this Santa Fe, the front edge of the hood sits right here and not all the way to the front where the grille is. The owner of the vehicle wants this entire top surface protected, so what I'll do is install a 3M paint protection film across this piece that you see right here. Let me open the hood and I'll show you. To make the install easier, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this weather stripping. It's held in by clips. Next, I'll clean the surface with 70% isopropyl alcohol. And make sure you clean the edge. As you can see, it's very dirty. The width of this piece is 54 inch and the height is 5 inch. So here I have a PPF film that's 60 inch wide and 6 inch high. Here's my slip solution, water, and a couple of drops of baby shampoo. Here's a look at the finished install. I hope you enjoy watching this video. The installation is very simple. A hood deflector like this will help protect the hood from any rock chips or debris kicked up by the car in front of you. If you're interested in getting this accessory, I'll include the link in the description below. If you like this video, remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.